We all hold within us an immense power, a power to shape our reality. This power resides in the alignment of our thoughts and emotions. For too long, many have lived life as passive observers, unaware of their innate creative abilities. It's time to awaken to the truth. We are not merely products of our circumstances, but rather powerful creators of our own destinies. Meditation serves as a gateway to harnessing this power. It is within the stillness of meditation that we can begin to orchestrate the symphony of our thoughts and emotions, aligning them with the reality we wish to experience. This is not about wishful thinking, but rather about understanding the profound connection between our inner world and our outer reality. When we understand that our thoughts are energy, and our emotions are energy in motion, we begin to grasp the true power of alignment. Every thought, every feeling, sends out a specific frequency into the field of infinite possibilities. By aligning our thoughts and emotions, we create a powerful force that magnetizes our desires and draws them into our reality. The key to manifestation lies in the marriage of clear thought and intense, elevated emotion. Think of it like this. Your thoughts are the architects, drawing the blueprints of your desires, while your emotions are the builders, infusing those blueprints with life force energy. When your thoughts are clear and your emotions are amplified with unwavering conviction, you create an internal resonance that is impossible to ignore. Imagine yourself standing before a powerful amplifier. If you whisper your desires into the microphone, the sound will be faint, barely audible. But if you speak with conviction, with passion, with unwavering belief, the sound becomes amplified, resonating with power and clarity. The same principle applies to our thoughts and emotions. The clearer your vision, the more intensely you feel the emotions associated with its realization, the more powerful your signal becomes. This alignment creates a magnetic pull, drawing to you the people, resources, and opportunities that resonate with your desired reality. Gratitude is not merely a polite gesture. It is a powerful catalyst for manifestation. When you approach your desires from a place of genuine gratitude, you are essentially sending a powerful message to the universe. A message that says, "I am so grateful for this, and I welcome it into my life with open arms." Visualize yourself standing on the precipice of receiving all that you desire. Feel the gratitude wash over you as if it has already manifested. This practice is not about pretending that you already have what you want, but rather about aligning your energy with the frequency of receiving. Gratitude opens the heart and creates a powerful energetic vortex, drawing your desires towards you with increased momentum. Remember, the universe does not respond to what you want, it responds to who you are being. The heart is not simply a pump that circulates blood, it is a powerful electromagnetic generator, capable of influencing the very fabric of reality. Research has shown that the heart emits an electromagnetic field that is far more powerful than the brain's. This field, like a radio wave, transmits our emotional state to the world around us. When we cultivate positive emotions like love, gratitude, joy, and compassion, we create a coherent electromagnetic field that resonates with abundance, harmony, and well-being. This coherence extends beyond our physical bodies, influencing our relationships, our environment, and even our interactions with the quantum field. Conversely, negative emotions like fear, anger, and resentment create a chaotic, incoherent field that repels the very things we desire. By choosing to focus on elevated emotions, we become like master conductors, orchestrating a symphony of energy that aligns with our highest aspirations. The journey from thought to reality is not a passive one. While it is essential to align our thoughts and emotions, we must also be willing to take inspired action. When we are truly aligned with our desires, the universe conspires to support us in their manifestation. Synchronicities increase, opportunities arise, and we feel an inner nudge to take action that aligns with our goals. This is not about forcing or struggling, it is about being in the flow, allowing the universe to guide our steps as we move towards our desired reality. Remember, the power to manifest your dream life lies within you. By mastering your internal world, by aligning your thoughts and emotions, and by cultivating a heart filled with gratitude, you unlock the limitless potential that resides within.